Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to PMDC online lecture room. Dear students, our today lecture is taken from chapter 16 of grade 12 chemistry. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about structure of alkyne, physical properties of alkyne, preparation of alkyne, and the last portion of our lecture will be assignment. First, we are going toward the structure of alkyne. Look at this diagram. This is the structure of ethine or acetylene molecule. This structure is taken to illustrate the structure of alkyne. In acetylene, each carbon atom has two sp hybrid orbital indicated by blue color, which lies on the same plane. Each carbon atom has also two unhybridized p orbitals, and these two unhybridized p orbitals lies perpendicular to each other and to the plane in which hybrid orbital lies. These two unhybridized orbital like py and pz orbital are indicated by green and orange color. One sp hybrid orbital of one carbon atom linearly overlap with the sp hybrid orbital of the other carbon atom to form carbon-carbon sigma bond. The other sp hybrid orbital of both the carbon atoms overlap with s orbital of the hydrogen atoms to form two carbon hydrogen sigma bond. The two unhybrid orbital like py and pz orbital of both carbon atom overlap in sidewise manner to form two pi bonds. The carbon-carbon triple bond is made up of one sigma and two pi bond. Acetylene has linear structure with bond angle equal to 180 degree. The carbon-carbon triple bond length is almost equal to 1.19 angstrom, and that of carbon-hydrogen bond length is 1.09 angstrom. Now coming toward the physical properties of alkyne, first is physical state. The first three members of alkyne series like ethine, propyne, butane, these are present in gaseous state. Next 8 members from carbon number 5 to carbon number 12, these are present in liquid state. The higher members of alkynes are in solid state. The next physical properties is color and odor. All the alkynes are colorless and odorless except acetylene, which has garlic-like odor. The third physical property is solubility of alkyne. Alkyne are soluble in organic solvent like benzene, ethanol, etc., and very slightly soluble in water. The fourth physical property is density and viscosity. Alkynes are slightly more denser than corresponding alkene and alkane. The density and viscosity of alkyne increase with increase in number of carbon atoms. And the fourth physical property is melting and boiling points of alkyne. The melting and boiling points of alkyne increase with increase in molecular weight. However, this increase does not occur in a regular manner. And the next is preparation of alkyne. Following are the methods that can be used to prepare alkyne. Number first, by dehydrohalogenation of vicinal dihalides. Number second, by dehalogenation of tetrahalide. Coming toward the first method, that is dehydrohalogenation of vicinal dihalide. But first we should know that what is meant by vicinal dihalide. Vicinal dihalide are those compounds having two halogens attached to adjacent carbon. For example, this is vicinal dichloroethane, in which two chlorines are attached to adjacent carbons. Now coming to the method, that is dehydrohalogenation of vicinal dihalide. When vicinal dihalide is treated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide followed by sodium amide, it forms alkyne. This reaction is completed in two steps. In the first step, when potassium hydroxide reacts with vicinal dihalide, it forms haloalkene. Haloalkene in the second step, which is a very less reactive species, is allowed to react with sodium amide. It forms alkyne. Here is the mechanism of the reaction. Look at this mechanism, in which vicinal dibromoethane is allowed to react with alcoholic potassium hydroxide, and thus by removal of one water molecule it produces bromoethene. Bromoethene in the next step is allowed to react with sodium amide and it produces acetylene molecule. This is the next method which can be used to form alkyne. The second method, that is called dehalogenation of tetrahalide. In this method, tetrahalide is heated with zinc dust and alcohol and to form alkyne. Here is the mechanism. This is tetrabromoethane. When it is allowed to react with zinc dust, it forms zinc bromide and acetylene molecule. The last portion of our lecture is assignment. Try to solve these questions. Question number first. Explain the structure of alkyne. Number second. Mention at least 4 physical properties of alkyne.